everyone, my name is Thiago Borges and I'm a first year Choose Development Fellow. I go to UMass Lowell and I work in Dr. Teresa Lee's lab studying C. elegans. I wanted to bring you guys into the lab with me so you can see what a day in my life looks like. This summer, my project investigates how the transgenerational accumulation of heterochromatin impacts developmental decision making. Here you see me setting up to look for males in a mutant I'll be working with this summer so that I can use them for strain building. In addition to strain building, I will be characterizing a separate double mutant's embryonic and larval development, as well as fertility. Wow, look at me go. While we're waiting, you might be wondering, why did you get involved in research? Short answer, I don't like going outside. Long answer, I've always been very curious and very inquisitive, and I've always liked biology, and I think research is the best mix of those two. I get to ask a lot of questions, and sometimes I even get to answer them. Well, that and I don't have to go outside to do it. In all seriousness, I do enjoy the fact that I'm generating knowledge that might be very important and useful to a lot of people in the future. And it looks like I've wrapped up counting, so I'm going to go ahead and put back my plates in the 20-degree incubator. Here is a look at my lab bench. I know I like to look at other people's lab benches, so I thought maybe you guys might like this. As a first-generation student, my parents don't know anything about college, and they really don't know anything about what I'm doing in the lab. Being in Choose Development really helps me work on my scientific communication and really helps me explain what I'm doing to my parents in a way that they can understand. I'm incredibly grateful for this opportunity because it would be almost impossible to get to the field I want to be in without this opportunity. I think that it'll bring me to places I need to go to, show me things I've never seen, and give me the connections that will be extremely helpful for my future. On that note, let's get back to something fun. Here, we're looking at a couple of the mutants we maintain just because they're fun to look at. Specifically, I'm pointing out uncoordinated mutants. We also maintain dumpy worms sometimes just because they're cute to look at. They're really fat and stubby and look like little grains of rice. Like this. Tell me that isn't the cutest thing you've ever seen. Compared to our wild-type worms, which are less cute, to say the least. And that about wraps things up. Thank you so much to the Society for Developmental Biology for granting me this opportunity. I'm very excited for my summer research, and I'm very excited for my future as a scientist, and it's greatly because of this opportunity.